Digital Services Business. Kita menyebutnya di Indosat Uridu New Business dan Innovation, dan sudah hadir bersama kita Pak Prashant Gopan adalah Chief New Business and Innovation Officer. Pak Randy yang kemarin sudah panjang lebar membicarakan mengenai MFS ya Pak. Lalu Pak Usman Lodi dari Digital Services juga. Kita akan mulai presentasinya, mengalir saja, tapi mohon maaf, sebelumnya juga kami mohon maaf sekali Pak Alex yang sedianya seharusnya hadir bersama kita hari ini, bahkan juga kita jadwalkan sebenarnya sampai ke Bunaken ya, tapi karena ada kegiatan dan meeting yang tidak bisa ditinggalkan tadi malam, informasinya ke kami tidak jadi datang, jadi kita tetap go with the go show dengan show yang ada, lalu dan karena kita fokus memang ke depannya Indosat Uridu mau fokus di dalam menjadikan perusahaan digital terdepan di Indonesia, maka hari ini kita akan go through semua kegiatan di kita bilangnya makanya New Business and Innovation, which is sebenarnya adalah Digital Services Business. So I hand it to you Pak Prashant to give a presentation. But maybe because you have to catch the flight at 6 o'clock. The timing is about like 1 hour. Mungkin we will have some Q&As. Mungkin habis itu we will follow up with if you have a follow up questions after this. Okay, thank you very much. You want to stand up or you?
Yeah, I'll stand up. So, selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
Yes. Sore already. Siapa sore? Sore already. Yeah, you have to pick sore. So how many of you are from Manado? From Sulawesi? Four from. Which four from Sulawesi? So I know where to stand. Where to stand when I talk about. Okay, I'll catch you as I walk along. So I'll speak in English. I will speak slowly. If you have any question as I speak, feel free to ask and to interrupt me. But the focus of what I will talk about is going to be short first. So I think it's better to make it interactive and to have questions coming from you. So first, what is digital? I think is the first question to which you would ask. So the way we at Indosat Uridu think about digital is to basically start becoming more like an internet or a content company. So that is how, when you look at digital services, that is what we look at. So within digital services, that is our focus, to support businesses and to support consumers as they take on services which are based around the internet. And why? So the question is, why are we making this change? So if you look at the evolution of history, and I'm sure many of you have read books, have read articles about this evolution. The pace of change today is the fastest it has ever been. Ever. You know, when was the last time a antibiotic medicine there? When was the last time a new antibiotic was made, you know? About 42 years ago was the last antibiotic. And the next lot of antibiotics, one is already in the market, Neocerin, and there are 6 more coming in, all in the last 4 years. Now, why is that? It's because of the internet. More and more people are working together and collaborating together and having this processing power to get the research done. The same goes for new kinds of plastic, new kinds of alloys, massive change because it is brought down, it is being brought by how people collaborate. So when we at Indosat Uridu look at digital services, it is to help push and enable that change for Indonesia. Am I way too fast? Okay. Okay. So So let's spend, you guys know all about this, I won't spend some time, except one point. As people in Indonesia, we do not celebrate the wonderful strengths we have. A huge country. So when some of us go and meet investors in other markets, this number, 250 million people, becomes a very attractive number. You know, there are not that many countries which have that kind of people with adult literacy, and anyone and everyone can, almost everyone can read and write. So massive literacy, huge population. So exactly what is needed for the growth in digital business. So our Indosat Ooredoo digital services have got 3 or 4 parts to it. The idea is to do some things in-house, which is Indosat Ooredoo. We have people, we have big leaders who will drive the process. That is one piece. We invest in some businesses where we want to grow the digital incubator, the entrepreneur ecosystem of Indonesia. And we want to have more and more users, and users will also include businesses, so both consumer and business, to actually use these services. So Indosat Digital is about enabling of ecosystem, enabling of financial community to invest in a new ecosystem, to enable you consumers, enable new services for consumers, and to make businesses benefit from this change. So we have 4 parts to it. We have investments. So we have an early stage incubator. So we take companies which are 4 or 5 people, early stage. We make them strong, we incubate them. That's IdeaBox. And I have to say, this is the most successful incubator in Southeast Asia. Most successful by companies which have got next round of funding, as well as those who have got the next commercial service. And Usman will afterwards talk about that for about 2 or 3 minutes. We are also the preferred partner for a number of large companies. So when Facebook launched Internet.org or Free Basics, they launched with Indosat. When Google wanted to launch the Balloon project, Indosat was a launch partner, and we got the other 2 telcos in, which is Telkomsel and XL. When Twitter launched something around the World Cup in soccer last year, year before last, they launched with Indosat. So we are the launch partner for a number of large companies. Yesterday, Randy spoke about Dompetku. We have Chipika, which is our e-commerce platform, and there's IMX. IMX is Indonesia's only mobile advertising company or exchange. And then we also work strongly to help enable information to be better used. Next one. So we are in the 3rd year. We are no longer just an early stage incubator. We have a business which does 300,000 transactions per day. So we are one of the largest transaction houses in this part of Asia. So amongst the largest, actually amongst the largest in the world by number of transactions.